Create column based on percentage of recurring customers. I have a data frame which contains order data, specified per row. So each row is a different order. Date underscore created, customer underscore I.D, total underscore value, recurring underscore customer. A customer is a recurring customer when they have ordered for the third time. I want to find out the percentage to which returning customers contribute to the total value. The data frame looks like this. By resampling the data to monthly data, I got the following output. So, the real question is that I want to find out the percentage to which returning customers contribute to the total value of the month. The desired output should look something like this. Note that I can't just calculate the recurring underscore customer percentages times the total value because I assume the group of recurring customers contribute a lot more to the total value than customers who aren't a recurring customer. I tried the np.where function on the daily data frame, where I would create a column recurring underscore customer underscore total in the daily data frame, and it would copy the value of the total column but only when recurring underscore customer return true, otherwise return 0. I found a similar question here, get values from first column when other columns are true using a lookup list. Another similar question was asked here. Getting indices of true values in a Boolean list. This answer returns all true values and its position. I want the value of total copied into recurring underscore customer underscore total when recurring underscore customer is true, then I would resample the daily data frame to a monthly data frame, and that would give me the mean of the amount recurring underscore customers contributed to the total value. Those values would be visible in recurring underscore customers underscore total. The final step would be to calculate the percentage of the recurring underscore customer underscore total based on the total column. Those values should be stored in recurrings underscore customer underscore total underscore percentage. I think those are the steps I need to follow. The only problem is that I don't really know how to get there. Thanks in advance.
So I'm fairly new to Python, but I've managed to answer my own question. Can't say this is the best, easiest, fastest way, but it surely helped. First of all, I made a new data frame which is an exact copy of the original data frame, but only with true values of the column recurring underscore customer. I did that by using the following code. It gave me the following data frame. Then I resampled the values using I then dropped the number and customer underscore I.D column, which had no value. The next step was to join the two data frames df underscore monthly and df underscore recurring underscore customers underscore monthly underscore sum using. This gave me Then I wanted to know the percentage, so which gave me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.